Hello, this is Corey Green, and this is my beta of my new game. So without further ado, let me show you what it does. Um, Actually, let me restart it so you can get an idea of this sprite in the very center of the screen. It actually has some animation that I created with a sprite sheet. So let me go ahead and restart that for you. So there's the animation for that sprite, and the idea behind that was that I was going to create random blocks and have them just randomly show up whenever the user moves. And that isn't quite implemented yet, but that sprite sheet animation is there. Now it doesn't have any collision coinciding with it, so that'll come at a later date. But let me show you some other aspects of the game. So what I've changed is that when you hit an enemy, the guy actually changes color to denote that he's been hit, and you actually lose one of these lives up here. And at the end, you know, it says game over. So let me show you. And also a sound goes off whenever you hit that guy. So one of the lives just dropped off. And also I have implemented linear interpolation. So the movement is a little bit smoother and a little bit more concise. So yeah, that's the improvements that I made over last week. And also my collision detection is a little better. So it's a little smoother. So let me try and get past this guy real quick. Okay, so that happened. So yeah, as you move and get hit by the guy, your life drains out, and then the game resets. So yeah, let me go to some of the questions here for this week. So what did I find most valuable this week? I think the sprite sheet was pretty awesome. I think I'm going to be using that quite a bit. The only problem with that, the way that I was doing it, was that I was trying to run through a loop to load these guys into a NS mutable array, and for some reason my file name block1.png was not cycling through. So like I would do block and then try and insert a integer number for the number of the actual PNGs, and it wasn't doing it. So I'll have to figure that out. What did I find most challenging? Basically, there was a lot of challenging things for this week. Learning how to do sprites, that was a bit challenging. I still haven't implemented the pausing and resuming of the game. I just ran out of time for that. But I think the most challenging thing for this week and also last week was linear interpolation and also collision detection. Collision detection, that was a pain in the butt to try and figure out. I've done it before, but I couldn't remember how to exactly do it. What would I have done differently if I could? Well, my birthday was on the 18th, so I ran out of time a lot, and I tried to make up for it. And I think just giving myself more time would be helpful. List a few things I could use more clarification. There wasn't a whole lot of documentation on pausing and resuming, and I think I could use more clarification on how to actually implement that. So that is my game so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and looking forward to making up some work for next week. All right.